Hello, welcome to Leafy Toys. It is the 3rd of December and we are opening up the third door of the Liquor Friends Advent Calendar. Now, where is number 3? There it is, down the bottom. All right, lucky number 3. Olivia is coming to help me today. I think I'll just start it off here because these are actually quite hard to pull open. Oh, look, it's goggles, glasses, like robot eyes, like for Zobo. Massive robot eyes. Are you just shouting at me and saying, Ellie, they're like obviously big yellow bells? I was just tricking you. Okay, all right, let's get it open and let's see how these all go together. Oh dear, that was fun. All right, now look, Olivia's just lying down. Come on, stop that, stop lying down. You need to concentrate on what you're doing. So we need the dinger for the bells. So we need a couple of these little black studs. Then we need the bottom part of the bell. Nice! And whatever we do here, we're going to have to replicate it for the second one. And there. They do look like eyes though, like Zobo eyes if I tilt them up, don't they? Tell me they do. Tell me I haven't just gone a bit insane. I think I have gone a bit insane. It is the silly season after all. Okay, we're heading up the bells and we get the nice roundedy bit on the top. And ding, 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 ding. I've never heard Zobo's eyes do that, so definitely they are bells. Now we need to connect them together with these little claw pieces. There we go. Oh, now they definitely, well, they don't actually make any sound at all, but I can hear the sound in my head. Like I said, I think I'm going crazy. And we get a nice little decoration right in the middle, and it dingle dangles as well, and it gets a little red piece of holly on it. Ding, 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 ding. Look at that. Now we need something to hang this from, so I'll get my trusty ribbon and I'll make a little loop. And ta-da! We've got some, actually they're really pretty little gold Christmas bells to put on the Christmas tree. Off you go, Olivia, find a nice spot for them. That looks like a nice spot. They all look like nice spots. That's so pretty. That's so pretty and so festive. Are you up there? I can't see you. Oh, there she is. There we go. All right. Wow. Well, all right. So day 3 was some bells. So I wonder what tomorrow's going to bring. I will see you for day 4. Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow.